If a gentle, effective cleanser that deeply purifies your skin while being kind to it sounds ideal, then the Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil could be your next skincare favorite. Perfect for removing makeup and impurities, it's an essential step in any skincare regime. Now, in today's video, we'll explain the benefits of this cleanser, how to use it correctly, and highlight the important do's and don'ts. The Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil combines the nourishing powers of natural oils with the soothing properties of heart leaf extract. This formula not only cleanses the skin, but also helps to prevent blackheads and removes makeup successfully. It's also suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. By transforming from oil to a light emulsion when in contact with water, it effectively lifts away dirt and excess oil without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. So what are the key ingredients and how do they actually work within the skin? Heartleaf extract and a blend of natural oils are the heart of this cleanser. Heartleaf is known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, which help to calm the skin and reduce irritations. The blend of natural oils includes sunflower seed oil, macadamia seed oil, olive oil, and jojoba seed oil, contribute to the cleanser's ability to moisturize, soothe, and help maintain healthy skin. These ingredients ensure that the skin is not only cleansed, but also receives a boost of hydration and protection, leaving your complexion smooth and refreshed without feeling any tightness. So how do you use the Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil in your skincare routine? Well, you want to make sure that you start off with dry skin. Then you want to dispense 1 to 2 pumps of the cleanser into your hands and gently massage the oil onto your face in circular motions, focusing on areas with heavy makeup or congestion. You then want to wet your hands and continue massaging to emulsify the oil. Then want to rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and follow up with a water-based cleanser as your second cleanse. For best results, use this cleanser as the first step of your evening skincare routine to remove impurities, makeup, and prepare your skin for other skincare products. Here are some do's and don'ts when it comes to using the Anua cleansing oil. Firstly, do emulsify. After massaging it onto your dry skin, you want to add water, which will help to transform the oil into a milky emulsion, increasing its cleansing power. You do want to double cleanse. Following up with a water-based cleanser will ensure all residues of the oil cleanser are removed, leaving your skin really clean. And then you don't want to use on wet skin initially. You want to apply the oil onto dry skin to effectively dissolve the makeup and impurities, and then go in with a bit of water to really emulsify the oil. To learn more about the Anua skincare range, then do check out these videos here next.